A lot of times we get calls for emergency care, and usually the number one thing that we see, especially in summertime, we'll see trauma. A lot of times kids will be on a diving board, they'll hit and they'll chip a tooth, or sometimes they'll knock a tooth out. The number one thing is we usually see fractured teeth. The other thing that we'll see with trauma is sometimes there'll be an automobile accident, and sometimes they'll hurt their neck and they have some issues that are going on that we need to look at from a TMJ standpoint and say, what do we need to stabilize and how do we help you with that? Sometimes people will have a tooth where the nerve dies and they start getting an abscess, and we need to see them and put them on antibiotic and then decide how we're going to treat that tooth. So those are the main things that we see with the emergency patients. So one of the things that we pride ourselves on Lake Forest Smiles is we try and reserve times in our day. So if somebody calls and they have a true emergency, we try and get them in that day and take a look, at least triage or diagnose what needs to be done. So then we can direct them to the specialist if we need to refer them, or if we can take care of them in-house, we'll take care of them here. Each case is different, so we don't know what we're going to get when they come in. We try to diagnose over the phone as much as we can, but we always reserve time, so we try and get people in within a day. If it's on a weekend or after hours, most of the time you can always reach one of the doctors. Usually we carry a phone on us, and we can talk to you over the phone and decide if it's something that we need to see right then or if it's something that can wait till the next morning. And the reason we might wait till the next morning is if we need help with an assistant or somebody to help us with the case. If it's something that, as a doctor, I feel like I can handle myself, we will try and see them that day. If God forbid something happens and a tooth breaks and you're in pain, give us a call. I just had a case this past week where a young girl knocked a tooth out and we were able to get her in the next morning. I got the call late and they'd already been in the ER for 4 hours. And so we saw them the next morning and we were able to get them directed to the right position, and we were able to get them taken care of within a day when they had called their prior provider and they got no answer. So we try to respond as fast as possible. So if you have something that happens, we're here to help you. Give us a call at Lake Forest Smiles.